Four children stand by a drawing of a large bumblebee.
Hi, I'm Dr. Scott, the paleontologist. What's that buzzing sound? Did you know that bees have been around since the Mesozoic era when dinosaurs lived? And they've always done the same things. They've buzzed, and they helped plants make more plants. When bees land on flowers looking for sweet-tasting nectar, something called pollen inside the flower gets trapped on their legs. The bees carry this pollen to other flowers, which helps the plants make more plants. So flowers help bees, and bees help flowers. The first bees and flowers lived with dinosaurs, and we're sure glad that bees are still around today, doing their job helping plants. So remember, get outside, make your own discoveries, and be a backyard scientist.
Starring Philip Corlett as Buddy, Claire Corlett as Tiny, and Ellen Kennedy as Mrs. Pteranodon. A list of other credits follows. Description made possible by a grant from the U.S. Department of Education. Description created by NCI Described Media.
The dinosaur train. Dinosaur train. A dinosaur train. Dinosaur train. Dinosaur train. Dinosaur train. We're gonna ride. Ride, 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 ride. The dinosaur train.